Not mine.
Blue?
I would die to get your touch, your warm embrace, and your shoes you wore with long black satin lace. As you walked into my mind, as I walked into the so-forgotten hall, just one look and I began to fall. Wish I could frame you and feeling on the wall and stare until there is no time. Oh, and I waited for you,
Creepy.
just hoping that you'd come back to me. And I waited for you to run away, run. Maybe someday I will find someone to run away. Maybe someday, maybe someday. From a distance, watch flowers brush your cheek. And as you read the words I wrote, I couldn't speak. But now I lay here, broken-hearted, blistered feet, as you're spinning round in my mind. Oh, and I waited for you, just dreaming of you coming to me. And I waited for you to run away, run. Maybe someday I will find someone to run away. Maybe someday, maybe someday, maybe someday. When you weep, you can know that it's alright. As you sleep, I will follow your door light. We can talk just as long as you hold on tight. 'Cause one breath is a million sighs. I can tell every breath that you're breathing. I can feel every thought